So we'll go through parts first. So for a build, these are our switches. They are Gateron Blacks. And then we've got, so this is our actual PCB. So PCB is going to kind of give you our sizing as well. So I am doing a 60% build. We have our actual case that I will show you guys. So I went through KBD fans through most of this. Ooh, that was a flashbang there for a sec. So aluminum backplate. And then our actual case is just anodized solid aluminum in white. And then, of course, last but not least, keycaps. So sticking with the white, but these are our white pudding caps. So pudding caps, they are a solid color on the top, but then they are slightly frosted or translucent on the sides, which I already prepped before stream, so I already lubed them. So those are all set as well. And of course, we got the coffee tonight. Backplate time shortly. Backplate real shiny dough. So all I'm doing is just popping in a few of them. Cool. Only sometimes. Do I use them every time? No. Alright, there we go. Backplate on. I don't need a cat hair in the middle of my backplate. There we go. Here we go. Alrighty. Fun time. Hella keys, bro. Hella keys. Well, I don't know what's the easy way. Basically, I'm taking an L either way I go. Had to take the key out above it because I was not paying close enough attention. Because Windows keys goes first. Wants to make me sad, bro. Doesn't help that the keycaps on these stems are super first. Monka. I'm dumb. Don't worry about it. I'm just dumb. Papega, bro. Papega. Fishing it from behind my desk. But we do have a matching USB-C to a USB type A. But here you guys go. There she is. Nice, clean, all white. Sheesh. There you go. Okay, make sure that stays off. Now we'll mute music here in a sec. Well, there you go. They're not... These ones are slightly different because the switches are backwards, which is going to piss me off, so... But that is the point of putting caps right there. And I'll move you guys closer to it. Ooh, okay. You guys ready? I'm gonna have to just pick you guys. I'm gonna have to pick up the keyboard and do it that way. Be way easier. So here is the Cherry MX Red. And here is the Gateron Black. Bro. This is a very satisfying feeling. Not even gonna lie.